Add caption. Go to the Effects tab and click the Text Caption button. At the right side of the preview window, type your caption into the text box. Select the position, size, and color. You will see the caption in the preview. Continue watching this tutorial for additional details on adding a caption. In Debut, captions can be added before or during recording, but they cannot be added after recording. If you need to add a caption afterward, you can use VideoPad video editing software. To begin, you'll find the Text Caption button in the Effects tab. Clicking on this button will open or close the Caption Settings window. Alternatively, you can also access the caption settings by navigating to the Effects menu and selecting Text Caption. Once the Caption Settings window is open, you'll see justification buttons at the top that allow you to adjust the vertical and horizontal alignment of the caption. Simply type your desired caption text in the text box provided. If you want to include a timestamp with your caption, you can select your preferred format from the timestamp dropdown. This will automatically add the timestamp to your text. Additionally, you can manually add date and time details by typing the following placeholders: %YYY% current year, %MM% current month, %DD% current day, %HH% current hour, %min% current minute, %SS% current second, %time since recording started, %time noms, same as %time but without milliseconds. Hovering over the text box will show a helpful tooltip with all these options. The size slider allows you to quickly adjust the size of your caption text. For finer control over its positioning, use the margin padding slider. This will move the caption closer to the center, with adjustments shifting its position based on where you initially place it. For example, moving a bottom left caption upward and to the right. To customize the look of your caption, click the Font Properties button. This opens a dialog where you can change the font style, size, color, and apply effects like strikeout or underline. After making your selections, simply click OK to apply the changes. You can also change the text color by clicking on the text color box, which opens a color picker. From there, you can choose from basic or custom colors, or even define new colors by clicking on Define Custom Colors. If you want to use this color again in the future, click Add to Custom Colors. Once you're satisfied, click OK to confirm your selection. If you want to add a background color to your caption, check the Background Color option and choose your desired color in the same way. Similarly, you can add an outline to the caption text by checking the Outline Color option. Select your desired outline color and adjust its thickness using the Outline slider. If you ever want to start fresh, simply click Reset Defaults to remove the caption and revert all settings to their original values. For more Debut tutorials, visit the address shown on your screen.